All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. Got the Buzz Lightyear PEZ Dispenser Money Origami. And I got some more PEZ because I ran out, but I can't find the whole refill set. Anyway, oh, what's that doing there? That's the next video. $1 no tape glue or thread diamond crystal octahedron. I finally figured out how to get it to stay closed. So that's really cool. That'll be coming up. All right, on to the video. So the basic structure, we're not going to have to fold. I'm just going to show you the difference. The full instructions are in the video for the Matchbox or PEZ refill storage, which I'll put a link right up here and at the end screen. But what we need to do is we need to open the PEZ case to get the dollar on there. And then I'll show you the little difference you fold. So you just pull up the PEZ like you're going to fill it, but just a little bit. And then you probably want to put your finger over the edge a little bit, just in case it tries to come popping out. You don't want to lose the little lifter piece. And you just need something skinny, and you push down right at the front edge of that lifter piece. And maybe you want to pull the spring up a little bit more. And you push down at the front edge while you lift the unit up, and the back part should pop up. Dang. It comes, there it is. Okay, just push it down a lot further right in the front, and then it pops up, and you don't want to lose it. Now this part goes in the back, and the small bump goes in the front. And then you can just leave that on the spring and put it back and leave your Buzz Lightyear head closed. And then you just hold the case and this part and pull out. It's just a little bit of friction, and that pulls right out. Now this doesn't even come off very easily. Well, there it is. So now the difference is, let me open it up, and you just watch the Matchbox video for the basic fold, and then I discussed that you can change the height of the box by changing how far you fold these corners in after you make the angle folds. So on this you can fold one corner in all the way to the edge, and then on the other side it's about twice the width of the border that you're folding it down away, and you line up these creases from your angle folds right there. And then what you can do is you can just gently put it together and see if it's the right height. Now it should go just short of this tiny little edge. See, there's a little lip, and then the feet hold it on at the bottom. And so I was pushing that up in there. But you can latch it all together first and then check your height. So when I first made it, I had the crease just a little bit too long right up there, and then you can just adjust it down a little bit, and then to assemble it, when you have this much excess showing when you fold the corner over, you've got to put this corner on the inside. You don't want to be in the top wrap because it won't really grab. See, there's nothing to hold it together, and you'll have that little piece sticking out. And so you put that on the inside. So you can make the adjustment on either side, or you can have the green side out. You can make it with the inscription. And you just tuck that corner inside. As you pull the crease right here to line up with this one, and this crease lines up with this one, just like that. Oh, my little spot came out actually inside. I've got a slightly different camera angle this time. It's actually in my way a little bit, so I'm going to put it back. The difference is it's more of exactly what I see while I'm folding it, but blocking my view a little bit. So it's a little harder for me now. Alright, so there's the wrap. So you could have made the small side short, the short corner fold, and then it wouldn't be sticking on top of George, it'd be up here. So then you just slip it in, and whenever something gets in the way and stops it a little, and then you just have to reach in there with something and hold that paper out of the way while you slide past that spot. And there you are. And then you put your, make sure the feet are facing the front and the spring is visible wholly in the front, see? And then you slide it back together. And then to put the lifter back in, so you just angle it down like this so that the front part of the lifter goes inside first, and then slide it down and it pops in, and there it is. So there's the Buzz Lightyear Money Origami PEZ dispenser. And there's the storage case for the refills. Video's right up there, and that'll get you through making the outside piece. It's the same thing, it's just we made it a little bit taller. And if you experiment around, you can make the box a lot wider too. See? But then it doesn't follow the fold pattern exactly as shown. Alright, thanks for watching. That's the video. I had to do the PEZ one because we said we would. And so there's Buzz Lightyear Money Origami PEZ dispenser. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. Alright, here's a little preview of the octahedron diamond box ornament. And look at this thing. It is the same from every side you turn it. It came out superbly. It's pretty fragile, but it does stay together really well by itself. See how it just came out a little bit, but you want to get a nice crisp bill for this video. And we'll show you how to fold it coming up real soon. Oh yeah, well hey, like the video. I forgot to mention that. That's the easiest way to help out the channel. Appreciate you. It doesn't really matter though. I mean, I'm just doing it for, share the cool origami really. That was the whole reason. Alright.